Why do 90% of tech enthusiasts believe robots will change everything? Let's dive in. Picture this, robots working 24/7, never needing a coffee break, and doing jobs we couldn't even imagine a decade ago. From self-driving cars to robotic surgeons, AI-powered machines are transforming industries at lightning speed. But how does it all work? It's all about machine learning. Robots analyzing massive amounts of data to learn and improve. Think of it like a brain constantly getting smarter with every experience. And the best part, this is just the beginning. With advancements in AI, the possibilities are endless. Imagine robots assisting in disaster zones, exploring space, or even helping in our daily chores. The future is not just coming, it's here. Stay tuned, tech enthusiasts, because the robots are ready to revolutionize our world.